Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is TechnicallyTee, and today I'm bringing you another case review for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And today we're going to go ahead and get into the Patchworks lineup for the S9 Plus. Now, I do want to give a huge shout out for Patchwork as always for dropping me some of their cases to review when a new product comes out. So a huge shout out to those guys. So if you've been watching my channel, you knew I really like running Patchwork cases. One of my favorite cases is their Level ITG case, which you see right here. I run that all the time. Really love that case, but they also have a few other cases that fit very well on their devices. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it. Only have a few cases, even though it's the whole lineup, it's only 4 cases. Technically, it's only 3 cases because the ITG level comes in a red and a black case. So let's go ahead and start off with the actual red version. So this is your Level ITG case. Like I just said, this is one of my favorite cases for any device that they come out with. It's a very solid case. One piece, very sturdy fitting case. Let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Didn't mean to tear the box up like that, but you already know it is what it is when opening these cases. So we're going to set everything to the side. Of course, you get a thank you letter and everything like that in there, but let's just go ahead and take a look at the ITG level case here. So as you can see here, very rigid design. It really reminds you of the OtterBox Symmetry series case. You do get a TPU material on the back, hard plastic, and on the inside it's a very soft rubber feel, which is very good for the back of your device. As you can see, you have it branded here, Level Patchworks. You have your drop protection up to, let's see, place metal plate here for my drop protection. It doesn't have an actual level of how much is drop rated, but it does have drop protection here. You get that Patchworks logo here in the back. Your cutouts for your camera flash, fingerprint scanner, everything like that. Your cutouts for your ports on the bottom, everything like so. So let's go ahead and pop the S9 Plus in it. See how it fits. And I can already tell you this case fits great on the S9 Plus. So here is the ITG level case for the S9 Plus. As you can see, this is the red color on the coral blue. A different combination, but it's not a bad looking device. If you have a black on black, it'd probably look a little better. You really don't see much of the blue just besides around the camera, so it's not that big of a deal. But taking a look around the case, late on the table protection, as you can see here, it has a slight raised edge on the top and the bottom. And as you already know, I run the White Stone Dome tempered glass screen protector, so this will work with the White Stone Dome. There is no raising of the edges whatsoever. Next, how does it actually fit on the phone? Like I said, it fits like an absolute glove. No flexing, no giving whatsoever when dealing with this case. Fits very, very good. So A1 fit, and a huge plus to Patchworks for making these cases an extreme tight fit. Next, how does it actually feel in your hand? It actually feels very good, feels very sturdy, doesn't add too much bulk. As you can see here, it keeps the thin profile. And it feels like if you were to drop it, it does feel pretty sturdy and you won't really deal with anything breaking, but you never know. Always be careful when running these type cases. And the back of it, like I said, you have this type of material. So I think it will hold up the scratches very good over time. Since it's kind of like a textured material and it's not too much smooth or anything like that. So the ITG level case has a nice texture back, excellent fitting case. You guys will not be disappointed with this version. Like I said, this is the red version. I will throw the black version on it, and that's a more matching fit when it comes to this case. But ITG level case, I can tell you right now, I may have found my new daily driver for my S9 Plus. But let's go ahead and pop in the wireless charger as always. And as you see, it does work with wireless charging. So this is the ITG level case for the S9 Plus. Now this case will run you $14.95 on Amazon, and I feel like that is a great price point for a great fitting case. All of those cases like UAG, your OtterBoxes, you're paying almost less than half, and you're getting a premium fit with this case. So excellent job, Patchworks, for the ITG level case. Now, since I said I did have the black one, let's go ahead and just pop the black one open real quick so I can show you how the black one actually fits and looks on the coral blue S9 Plus. So we're not going to go over anything. I just literally want to pop it on, let you see how it looks. And this is the one that I'll probably be running on my phone. As you can see here, very nice, very sleek case. They did an excellent job. The ITG level case really keeps getting better and better. And this is the case. I think this might be my new daily driver. Even on the bottom down here is kind of a textured material. I don't know if you can see, but even the bottom is a textured material. So like I said, fits very good in your hand. ITG level case, A1 from Patchworks there. So that is the level. Let's move on to the mono grip. Now, I haven't ran a mono grip case before, so I'm actually kind of anxious to see how this actually fits. It reminds me of the level case a little bit. So let's see what the differences are when dealing with both the mono grip from Patchworks and the ITG level. So here we go. As you can see, looking on the back, you have a leather, really feels very good. You have a leather finish on the back of this case. Around here, you have a plastic finish around where your camera, your flash, and your fingerprint scanner is. A little different touch, they added the Patchworks emblem right below the flash of the phone. Flipping over inside, you do get a pattern there, and as you can see, it says a Patchworks logo in the middle. On the sides, you do get your raise, volume up, volume down, power button there. Cutouts on the bottom, but you do have grips right here on the two sides where you really hold your phone. You have two levels of grip there on your right side and there on your left side. So let's go ahead and pop the S9 Plus in it. See how it fits. And this as well fits super good. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to run as my daily right now, guys. But here it is. Patchworks mono grip for the S9 Plus. Power button, nice and tactile. Volume up, volume down, Bixby button. All the buttons are on par, no issues there. Flipping it up, a lay on the tail protection. As you can see, it has a little raised lip on the bottom and on the top. And this also works with the white stone dome, no peeling or anything on the screen protector. Next, how does it actually fit on the phone? Fits the phone like an absolute glove. No issues, no giving. Another excellent fitting case by Patchworks. Also, how does it feel in your hand? Feels very good. It's called the mono grip, but these two grips right here actually fits right in line to where you actually hold your phone, and it does not feel like you're going to drop it. It doesn't feel like it's going to do anything. This is also drop protection rated, so it is, you know, it'll handle a few drops. Not sure how far, but always be careful with handling your devices. But guys, this Patchwork case feels excellent. Good job once again. And I'm not just saying this because they send me cases. You know, if a case doesn't fit good, wireless charging check, it does work with wireless charging. If a case doesn't fit good, guys, you know I'm gonna say it. But this case, I mean, it speaks for itself. Please get these cases. They actually fit wonderful. I think a lot of people sleep on Patchwork and their products, but the mono grip, another excellent case. Now I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use, the mono grip or the ITG level. Both excellent cases so far. This case will run you, and I'm looking at the website as we're speaking, this case is gonna run you $12.99 on Amazon, so another excellent price point. And clicking on the link, I think they have a few different colors. They have it in mono grip, which is in black, and they also have it in a taupe color as well, which I have right here. Now, this whole time I thought this was a different case, but this is actually the same case in that taupe color. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So let's go ahead and pop this out here. Grab the taupe color. Now, this is a different variation, and definitely for my people out there that were able to probably get a different color S9 Plus. So here it is. This is basically a taupe version. Very nice color when dealing with the case. So let's go ahead and pop it in. Same as that case, just a different color. If you want to rock with, if my females out there want to rock with a taupe and coral blue S9 Plus, here's the combination you're looking at. Same premium fit. Excellent job with these cases by Patchworks. The raised lip feels absolutely beautiful on it, and it doesn't raise the white stone dome tempered glass screen protector dropping on the wireless charging. As you see, that works as well. Once again, this case is $12.99 on Amazon. And then you also have your ITG level cases here as well. And then you have the other mono grip here. So once again, guys, this is the Patchwork case lineup for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I will leave the link to all these cases down in the description below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Later.